Hello everyone, welcome to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to use CapCut app. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, make sure you have downloaded CapCut app in your device. Now open it. You're gonna land to this kind of page. Over here, you're gonna see this option of new project. Tap on it. Your gallery will open up. From here, select the videos that you want to edit. You can select as many videos as you want. Here, I'm gonna select 2 of these. After you select the video, tap on add given at the bottom right corner. After you select the video, you're gonna land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you will find different options. Likewise, over here you will find this option of mute. If you want to mute the whole video, you can tap on it. Now let's jump into these options given at the bottom. The first one is edit. From here, you will be able to split the video. Likewise, you can increase or decrease the speed of the video. You can add some animation style, likewise camera tracking, cut out volume, extract audio and put in this audio. You can add some filters or adjust. You're gonna get lots of options. All you have to do is to apply this effect. Tap on it. Here I'm gonna add some filters to this clip. So all you have to do is tap on the option of filter. From here you can choose any of the filter of your choice. Also you will get this option to increase or decrease the effect. Now go back and here you're gonna get this option of audio. From here, you will be able to increase or decrease the volume of the audio, or you can add some voiceover effects. Likewise, you can add different music to this clip. Go back. Likewise, you're gonna get this option of text. You can add different text to your clip from here. If you want to add stickers, you can go to this option of stickers. If you want to have overlay, you can tap on this option of overlay. Just scroll to the right and you're gonna get different features of CapCut. Under that also you're gonna get different options. Let me show you here. I'm gonna tap on ratio. Here you're gonna get different ratio aspects. So you can just tap on it and apply to your clip. If you want to apply any of the effect from this CapCut, then all you have to do is tap on it and go through the different options and choose the best one. And after you are done with the edit, you can tap on this arrow given at the top right corner, and now you will be able to find this video in your gallery. So this is how you can use CapCut app. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.